Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks software. We'll begin by understanding what QuickBooks is and why it's a valuable tool for managing your business finances. This powerful software helps thousands of small businesses streamline their accounting processes, saving them precious time and reducing errors. You'll learn how it can simplify everything from daily transactions to end-of-year reporting, giving you a clearer picture of your financial health. Next, let's dive into setting up your company file, which is the foundation of your QuickBooks experience. You'll learn how to input your essential business details and select the appropriate industry template. We'll also cover customizing your chart of accounts, ensuring every financial transaction is categorized correctly. This initial setup is crucial for accurate record keeping and will save you significant time down the road, providing a solid base for your financial management. Now let's explore managing your daily transactions, the core of using QuickBooks effectively. We'll show you how to record all your income, from sales to customer payments, ensuring every penny is accounted for. You'll also learn to log every business expense, whether it's a bill or a purchase, for precise financial tracking. Regularly reconciling your bank and credit card accounts is vital, helping you maintain accurate records and spot any discrepancies quickly. Finally, let's look at some advanced features and how to leverage QuickBooks for deeper insights. You can utilize powerful tools for invoicing, managing payroll, and tracking inventory, all designed to streamline your operations. We'll also explore generating customized financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, which provide crucial data for informed business decisions. Integrating QuickBooks with other applications further enhances its functionality, making it a comprehensive solution for your business needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.